why you should get started on makeup if you want to. And I'm also going to be giving you 5 reasons why you should do makeup and how to get started on makeup. If you're interested in such a video, then let's get to it. Hey lovely people, my name is Patricia and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm actually very excited to share that we've reached 350 views and 1000 watch minutes. It really means a lot to us. And yeah, keep liking the videos, keep sharing, commenting, and please subscribe. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Anyways, today I'm back with a get ready with me video. I really loved the reception it got on my first video, which was a get ready with me. So today I'm back with another one with a bit of a, so today we're talking about something different. We're going to talk about why you should do makeup and how to get started on makeup. I already did my eyebrows off camera. If you're interested to see how I get my eyebrows done, I'll link my video down below. I did a video on how to get your eyebrows done like a pro. So I use this pencil, the Davis pencil number 3. It's very affordable. It's 40 shillings. It's like $0.4 somewhere there. So today I'm going to do, I'm not sure what color I should do, but I'm thinking a gold, something gold for my eyeshadow. And I'll try use this to see if it will make my eyebrows pop a little bit more, because we all know it's a more of if you know you know. If you're looking for a reason to start makeup, I'm going to give you 5. So number 1, makeup will help you boost your confidence. Like every time I'm wearing makeup, I just feel more confident, you know. Yeah, it just comes when you've done makeup, you know, you spend time on yourself, and once you're done and you're pleased with it, when you step out, you're always just a minute, I have to clean this. Yeah, like I was saying, every time I do makeup, I just feel it's like just a little bit of a boost of confidence, because I know I've spent time on myself, yeah, and just makes me feel better. Yeah. Side note, every time I have a breakdown, I always do makeup. Always. Like, catch me outside and I have a full beat face. Like, if I'm not going anywhere important, I'm probably in a not a good mood, so I'm just trying to make myself nice, pretty and nice. Yeah, so I've cleaned my brush. The powder thing isn't really working, so I'll just get into the transition shades. Yes, so like I just said, number 1, it boosts your confidence. Number 2, it helps enhance your appearance. Like, I really don't have eyebrows, and when I draw them on, enhanced. What better explanation can I give? Like, it really enhances your beauty. You know, we're all beautiful. We're all beautiful, and you know, beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. So you have to start viewing yourself as beautiful first. You have to, you know, you get better at it. Like, I know you're like, okay, some people are scared to start doing makeup because they feel like they're not good at it. And trust me, after a while of doing makeup, you will be satisfied. It's not meant to change your look, but just to enhance it. Yeah, so that was number 2. The third reason why you should do makeup is just fun to do. Like, and you can always remove it. Like, if you don't like how it turns out, you can just remove it. Or yeah, I remember when I was just done with high school, sorry, I was so obsessed with doing my makeup. Like, that's all I used to do basically, because I haven't joined college or university yet. So I was really just, and my mom wouldn't let me go anywhere. So my mom wouldn't let me leave the house. Yes. So what to do? You know, what should I do? I always did makeup, but I didn't have much, and I didn't know how to do a lot. I even didn't know how to do my eyebrows, so I mostly used to do my lipstick and put lipstick on and draw eyeliner. That's when I actually learned how to do eyeliner. I was so obsessed with it. I do it almost every day. You can imagine almost a year waiting to join school, and you can't go anywhere and can't do anything. So that's something I really liked doing, and I still do it to date. Like, I just love doing makeup. When I'm free and I have really nothing to do, I'll definitely be doing makeup. Maybe doing my eyebrows. Like, eyebrow, it's a skill, so you learn it over time and you get better at it with time. So yes, I think the transition is nice and okay. So I'll go straight and let me now do the gold color. You know, I'm using one brush, so I have to clean it up after every use with the mining with wet wipes. That's a hack, don't forget that. Yeah, like I said, you get better at with the practice. Why am I stuttering? The fifth reason is it can actually be a source of income once you learn it. Like, once you learn the skill perfectly, there's a whole industry dedicated to makeup all over the world, and yeah, it's something nice. If you want to get into it, you won't be disappointed. Like, in movies, or your favorite characters, like, let's say, even Aladdin, they use makeup. Like, they use makeup too, you know. It's a creative process. It also brings out your creativity. So that's another reason, that's a bonus reason of why you should do makeup. Like, it's a form of expression. The way you do your makeup says a lot about you, like your preferences, even in lip colors. Like, if you choose a bold color, it could be like your personality or your, how do I say, your mood. Yeah, like when you have a bold color, maybe you're just feeling, you know, a little bit more bold. I don't know, but I think you get what I'm saying. Yeah, so let's get into how you should actually get started on makeup. Okay, so first of all, the reason why, before I started doing makeup, I also searched on why I should do makeup and how to get started. Because, hey, I used to see all this, you know, makeup is expensive. I won't lie, it's expensive, but there is affordable makeup out there, and I can tell you a brand that they sell original makeup, and it's so affordable. Like, full coverage makeup, full coverage foundation, like LA, is it LA Girl Cosmetics? That's the go-to. That's the go-to. Just get started with whatever you have. Okay, I'm starting to do, it's like a speech I'm giving. No, let me give in point form. Number one, start with what you have. If you can, actually the eye pencil I showed you wasn't 40 bob, I'm sorry, it was 30. But in some places you'll get it at 40 bob. You should just start with whatever you have. If you have a lipstick, of course, just rock that lipstick in a nicely. I know you might think lipstick is like the easiest makeup to do, but some people still do it wrong. I don't know. Okay, I don't say wrong, but I'm going to insert pictures so that you can see what I'm talking about. If you're into eyeliner and you haven't perfected your skill, I'll definitely do a video on that if you would like to check it out. Yes, so let me just put my Let me just make it a bit like darker on the sides and see how it's going to be looking. I'm actually finishing up on my eyes. I spend so much time on my eyes. I just love doing what I do. Okay, this is not what I do, but I just love doing makeup. Yeah. So another way you can do makeup, you can start doing makeup, is you can watch tutorials. Watch YouTube tutorials, look at makeup inspiration ideas on Pinterest, or you could just Google them and try it out. Even if you're already doing makeup, there's still so much more you can do. Like, I'm still learning how to do makeup and I'm loving it all the way. I'm here for it. Yeah. Another reason of how to start doing makeup is just have fun with it. Like, I cannot stress this enough. Just have fun, you know. It's makeup, you can always remove it. So I finished up my eyeliner and put on some lashes off camera. I'll definitely do a video on how to do your eyeliner like a pro. Winged liner to be specific, but the basic eyeliner I'll also do in the same video. So I'm trying out new lashes. I don't know what you guys think about them. Someone should have definitely warned me that when you start putting on lashes, you just want, how do you say, just want it to be more dramatic. Yes. So next I'm going to do my foundation real quick. Doing makeup is so fun. Yes, if doing makeup was a hobby, I'd probably say my hobby is doing makeup, because I do it a lot. When I'm in school, not so much, you know, because there's not much free time. But I definitely love doing my eyebrows. Sorry, my makeup. I like doing my makeup. Yes, it's just fun to me. Something fun to do. Yeah. Let's see how I turn out. So don't be discouraged, girl, or whoever. I don't know. Anyone can do makeup. I'm not discriminating. Anyone can do makeup. In the comment section, tell me what you love most about makeup. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna leave you tonight. You should stay with me, you should let me give you my time. If you go away, my life won't delay. You are my babe, that is all I say. I don't wanna go, I don't wanna leave you tonight. You should stay with me, you should let me give you my time. If you go away, my life won't delay. You are my babe, that is all I say. My LA Colors contour kit. Why? Yeah. Would you stay along? Would you be around? Baby girl, you're my sunshine, you're the light. Let's play along, baby, we alive. You're my day, you're my life, you're my every night. Nah. You should be around, you should be mine. Nah. You are my love. So I'm going to do my hair. Not much to be done, but I'm going to make my hair and I'm going to show you the final look. This is the final look. Can you see the highlights? I really like it. Yes, so thank you for watching my video. I hope by the end of this video, which is right now, you've found a reason why to do makeup. And yeah, you know, yes, you can start with anything you have. Eyeliner is a good eyeliner. I love eyeliner so much. Like, there was a point in my life I couldn't go anywhere if I haven't put on eyeliner. So, and I was actually more of a tomboy. I was more of a tomboy, but I put my bandana on, my eyeliner and lipstick, and I'd be good to go. So thank you for watching my video. Make sure to like. If you enjoyed the video, like it. Comment your favorite makeup. What do you like most about makeup? Even if you haven't tried, like, what do you look at and you're like, I would like to do that. Make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, please. It will really help me and my sister grow the channel. If you want to check out how you can make money online, make sure to check out our how to make money online series. And yes, I'm feeling cute. I'm feeling cute. Thank you for, I know it looks a bit brighter than my neck when I put my neck, but yeah, I don't know, I will work it out, but once I get out I'll be able to get a better shade. But thank you for watching the video. Thank you for watching the video. Be nice to one another and make good choices. Bye. See you in the next one.